Welcome aspirants. You're watching Decode IAS, and in this video, we decode the editorial Greater Openness. India must not squander global trust in its sign management of wildlife. Recently, a Supreme Court-appointed Special Investigation Team, or SIT, submitted its report on the Reliance Foundation's Vantara project in Jamnagar, Gujarat, India's largest private zoo. The SIT concluded that project had followed due process in acquiring wild animals from abroad, possessed the right permits, and maintained excellent facilities for the care of over 30,000 animals. The court accepted the report and summarized its findings in an order, but notably, it chose not to make the full report public. This lack of transparency gained importance after a CITES Committee, the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, visited the same site. CITES praised Vantara's world-class infrastructure and animal care but raised concerns about India's wildlife permit system. It found inconsistencies in documentation. For example, while Indian authorities described transfers as non-commercial exchanges, the Czech Republic listed them as sales. This distinction matters because Indian law prohibits commercial procurement animals by zoos. CITES doesn't oppose animal transfers but emphasizes accurate documentation and traceability to prevent illegal trafficking. It recommended that India temporarily pause new import permits until the inconsistencies are addressed. This observation, while not an indictment of Vantara, questions India's overall transparency in wildlife management. The editorial highlights a crucial point: India's reluctance to share complete reports or engage openly with global partners may damage its international credibility. As a country that prides itself on rich biodiversity from tigers to elephants, India must ensure that its wildlife policies are transparent and trustworthy. Maintaining global trust requires openness, accountability, and consistent communication with international bodies. Concealing reports or providing incomplete disclosures could weaken India's image as a responsible guardian of wildlife. The takeaway is clear: India must protect not just its animals but its reputation. Greater openness in wildlife governance will strengthen both conservation and credibility. Stay tuned with Decode IAS, crisp, conceptual, and UPSC ready.